Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 common and uncommon relationship names in English. Number 1, siblings. It means brothers and sisters. Example, Maya and Arjun are siblings. Number 2, Niblings. It means nieces and nephews. It's a playful or informal term. Example, I bought gifts for my Niblings. Number 3, Piblings. It means aunts and uncles. It's a playful or informal term. Example, my Piblings came over for dinner. Number 4, parents. It means your mother and father. Example, my parents are both teachers. Number 5, cousins. It means the children of your aunt or uncle. Example, I grew up playing with my cousins. Number 6, spouse. It means your husband or wife. Example, her spouse works as a teacher. Number 7, fiancé, fiancée. It means a person engaged to be married. Example, her fiancé planned a surprise dinner. Number 8, in-laws. It means relatives you gain through marriage. Example, we visited our in-laws for the holidays. Number 9, half-siblings. It means siblings you share one parent with. Example, he has 2 half-siblings. Number 10, step-siblings. It means siblings related through a parent's remarriage. Example, I have a stepsister and a stepbrother. Wow, you learned so many relationship names today. Tell me in the comments, which word was new for you today? See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.